Hello and welcome back to the Learn Adobe Experience Design CC course. In this lesson we're going to create a select icon in Adobe XD. This select icon is going to be in the form of a tick, so let's zoom into our artboard and get started. So the first thing is to either use the line tool or the rectangle tool to create our tick. So with the shape selected, just deselect the border. And we can specify the height of 2, just so it matches our hamburger menu icon in terms of width. And we can add a radius in the property inspector, just so those corners are nice and rounded. Now with the shape selected, we can go to Edit and Duplicate, and then hold Shift with this rotate symbol visible, just to rotate that 90 degrees. And then just position it like so and adjust the width. And then just hold Shift to move that back up. So once you've adjusted your tick to a size that you're happy with, you can then hold Shift and select both shapes, and in the Pathfinder options, select Add. And then look for the rotate symbol again and hold Shift to rotate 45 degrees. And next we're going to select the ellipse tool. Left click and hold Shift to draw a circle. Now we want this circle to have no border. And we can drag our tick inside of that. Now you may want to give the tick a different color for now, but it doesn't matter what color it is. Just make sure that you go to Object, Arrange and bring to front so it's on top of the circle. And you can decrease the size slightly so it fits in the middle. Just make sure that's nice and central. And then hold Shift to select the circle as well. And with these two shapes selected, in the Pathfinder options, select Subtract. And it will knock out that shape from the circle. And then we can position this in the center by holding Shift and selecting both the select icon and this blue header, and just click up here in our alignment options on Align Horizontally. So we've created the select icon, now we want to add it to the photos as well. Now for the select icon, we will have a selected and unselected state, so we don't want to add this into our existing repeat group, because otherwise it will force us to keep them all the same. So let's just select this tick icon, go to Edit, Duplicate, and drag that copy onto our first image. Now we'll position it in the top right corner, and holding Shift and using the down and left arrow key, we're going to nudge that down 10 pixels and left 10 pixels. Then we're going to go to Edit, Duplicate, hold Shift and drag that down and do the same again. Just hold Shift, nudge down 10 pixels. Edit, Duplicate, hold Shift to drag that down, and then holding Shift and using the down arrow key, just nudge it down 10 pixels. So only the middle one of these is going to be selected. So what we need to do first is select this top one and hold Shift and select the bottom one. Select the fill color and we're going to change that to black. And then we're going to type in 40% in the opacity box. So these are our deselected ones, and this one is selected in white. Also in our header, this is also going to be deselected in a slightly different way. So let's select that now and just change the opacity to 40%. So the shape is going to be white with a 40% opacity. So the location pin is going to be the active part of the screen. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.